Artificial intelligence tools refer to a wide range of software applications that uses various AI algorithms and techniques to perform specific tasks. Here are some of the most common types of AI tools. Machine learning. This is the type of AI that involves training algorithms on large datasets to make predictions and decisions. Some of the examples of machine learning tools includes TensorFlow and PyTorch. And then comes natural language processing or NLP. This is the type of AI that focuses on analyzing, understanding and generating human language. And the most popular NLP tool these days is OpenAI's ChatGPT. Then comes the computer vision. This is the type of AI that focuses on analyzing and understanding visual contents such as images or videos. And the popular examples of computer vision tools includes OpenCV and TensorFlow object detection APIs. And then comes the chatbots. This is the type of AI that involves building conversational agents that can interact with users through text or voice. Examples of chatbot tools includes Digitalflow, TARS and Microsoft Bot Framework. And finally, I have for you Robotic Process Automation, which is popularly known as RPA. And this is the type of AI that involves automating repetitive tasks such as data entry using software bots. And examples of most popular RPA tools includes UiPath, Automation Anywhere and Blue Prism. So these are few examples of many types of AI tools available today in the market. And for more such information on artificial intelligence, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the Tech Blackboard YouTube channel.